Hello everyone, today's topic is microbial genetics, which is included three different mechanisms for transferring the genetic material. One is transformations, two is transductions, and last one, that is the three conjugations. We had already completed the transduction and transformation process. Today's we only focus on conjugation. Let's see what is conjugation. So definitely, it is the exchanging genetic material process. In these methods of exchanging genetic materials between two different bacteria by direct contact with each other, right? In case of transduction and transformation, there is no direct contact in between the recipient and donor. Only this process have direct contact with recipient and donor. Most of cases plasmid and extracellular DNA, plasmid which is also a extracellular DNA, help to complete the process. So before we start the steps of conjugation, we need to know some terms which is related to the conjugation. So let's see term related with conjugation. First of all, F plasmid. It is called fertility plasmid. F stand for fertility. It's called fertility plasmids. It have a property to developing a tube-like structure or pili or sex pili, by which those cells where plasmid present can interact with the neighbor cells. That means it connect the donor and recipients through this pili, right? And those F plasmid also contained with 25 tragenes. And those tragenes are two different types. MPF, the MPF stand for matting pair formations, and another one, that is DTR, stand for DNA transferred gene or plasmid. So what are the functions of this F plasmid? One is sex pili formations, another is synthesis and transfer of DNA, and the last one, it's interfere with F plus ability to serve as a recipient. Another or next term is A plus cells. A plus cells, those cells which contains with A plasmid. That means presence of A plasmids indicate those cells are A plus cells. And next one is F minus cells. Those cells which does not contains with F plasmid. That means those cells which have not presence any F plasmid are called F minus cell. And next one is a HFR cell. HFR stand for high frequency recombination cell. These cells have high tendency to transferring the genetic materials, right? It have the capability to recombinate of DNA high frequently. And the last terms is A prime cells. It contains with the A plasmids with some part of the bacterial plasmid. That means A prime have natures or both, that is A plasmid and the bacterial or chromosomal plasmid. Let's see the steps involved in the conjugation process or transfer of F factor. First, A plasmids from a sex pili with recipient cells. Obviously, donor cells have the A plasmid, or it is called A plus cells. Those A plus cells with the help of A plasmid create a sex pili, which is create a contract between the donor and recipient. And next, number 2, genetic material, that is single stranded DNA form transferred by this pili. Through this pili, the genetic materials of donor cells transferred into the recipient cell. Next, number 3, single-stranded recipient stands into double-stranded. Obviously, recombinant formation is here. That means a double strand to single strand, then single strand to double strand. And through this process, F minus cells converted into F plus cells. Sometimes conjugation tube destroyed, then only a fragment can transferred into the recipient. In some special cases like radiations or presence of any chemical substance or any physical conditions by which the sex pili can destroy before transferring the genetic material. Then what happened? Then this fragment attached with the homologous site of the bacterial cells. Those single stranded, which is a fragment of DNA strand, is attached with the homologous site of the bacterial cell. That means the chromosomal cell. Then it's from HFR chromosomes and cell is called HFR cell. That means when the DNA fragment attached with the chromosomal DNA, those from relations of gene is called HFR and the whole cells are called HFR cell. From HFR cell, the aplasmid part can separate out and also can form a 2A plus cells or make A prime cells. Those HFR cells which contains with the chromosomal DNA and the part of the A plasmid or A factor plasmid, those HFR cells can form the true A plus cell and also A prime cell. Let's see the picture model of this process. See, here you can see in these pictures that is the A plus bacterial cells. That means it have the presence of fertility factor plasmid or plasmid contains with fertility factors. Those A plasmid can create a sex pili which interact or which interconnect between the donor and the recipients. In the same environment, you can see here is a A minus bacterial cell. That means those bacterial cells which have not presence the plasmid which contains the fertility factors. So then donor bacteria can connect with the recipient through the sex pillar and they form a tube-like structure in between them. After forming the sex pili or pili, the plasmid or A plasmid which contains the fertility factors transferred into the recipient cells, but it first cut in the origin of transfer of this A plasmid and single-stranded formed. Those single-stranded fragments entered into the recipient cells. After receiving this genetic materials from the donor cell, recipient cell goes through the recombination process. Through this recombination process, they can create the double-stranded plasmid, and the recipient cell then converted into A plus or A plus fact. Then what happened? Those recipient cells which received the plasmid containing fertility factors behave like a donor bacteria or behave like a plus cells. Let's see the special process when those sex pili can destroy with the presence of some radiations or presence of some chemicals or any environmental factors which affect or destroy the sex pili. At these conditions, what happened? Genetic material from the A plus cells cannot transfer totally. Before transferring the whole material, they destroyed the sex pili. That's why some fragments are transferred into the recipient cell. After transferring into the recipient cell, those fragments combines with the bacterial chromosome of F minus cell. After entering or binding with the chromosomal sites or chromosomal DNA, those portions of A plasmid replicate themselves and they converted into double stranded, right? But they have a tendency to separate out, or you can say highly fertile. Those structures are highly fertile. Then what happened? Sometimes those parts are separate out, but they take some part of the chromosomal DNA and from a F dash plasmid into the F minus cell or recipient cells, and those F minus cells converted into then F prime cells. That means the combinations of the chromosomal DNA and the A plasmid part of DNA, right? So these bacterial cells converted into F prime cells. In another way, they can develop a pure form of A plasmid or double-stranded A plasmid, which is transferred into the recipient F minus cells and recipient F minus cells converted into F plus cell, right? So by this HFR cells, it converted into the it convert the recipient cells into A prime cells, also A plus cells, and also they can form HFR cell. In another case, the fragments which is entered into the recipient cell, sometimes those fragments do not identify the some homologous site. In that case, those fragments can destroy. Okay. They cannot create the HFR cells and A plus cells. So in that case, F minus cell recipient cells become F minus recipient cell. Okay. Let's have a look donor recipient types and their results. So in case of A plus and F minus combinations or conjugations, donor cells become A plus, remain A plus, where F minus become A plus. And when the donor cell is A plus and recipient is F minus also, then there is a chances F plus remain A plus and F minus converted into HFR, right? In case of HFRs, it may converted to the A plus and F minus, A prime also. So HFR, when HFR is a donor and recipient is F minus, in case of that, the donor cells remain HFR and those F minus cells converted into A plus. Yes, there is a possibility of F minus into A plus. Sometimes those A prime cells and F minus cells are conjugated to each other. In that case, A primes become same F primes, or is a possibility F minus converted into A prime. So that's all the types of conjugations and their results shortly. Hope you understand this process of conjugations. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe for more updates.